fuel filter under there. So we've got two nuts and bolts. Straight away we can see, so we need to get those undone. Now the fuel filter on the X5 does sit in the rear, like I said, nice and protected with the rest of the fuel tank and the other pump. So let's start undoing some nuts and bolts. There's the filter in question, what we need to change. Before you undo any pipes, make sure your filter you've got is the same type. So there we go, same as we need, let's go. So why did we change the fuel filter? Because it's part of the yearly servicing, which hasn't been done for 3 years. I haven't changed the fuel filter for ages. Bit of a lumpy idle 6-cylinder diesel engine, so it has a bit of a nice sort of 6-cylinder purriness anyway, diesel wise, but it had a little bit worse. So sort of stick a filter on it. As you can see, it's not the easiest to put on. Idle's nice and perfect now, so hopefully that will stay like that now. Obviously, is that the job finished? No, I want to cut the filter open and have a look inside it. Yeah, filter's not hard. It wasn't a hard job. Awkward. Probably used if I was on a ramp or I had it jacked up. But that was on the floor. So you see how easy or difficult, whichever way you want to take it. Sorry, there's a massive lorry here just looking. E-jet. Oh my god. Yeah, so easy or hard, however you look at it. Wasn't really difficult. A few bolts, get the filter off. Filter was just general off the shelf filter, nothing really special about it. Engine pull's lovely, so it did pull lovely anyway. It was just the idle I wanted to eliminate. Not eliminate the idle, I needed it to idle. Lumpiness. And it's done it so far, so we'll give it a run around a bit more and see how it sits. Again, the fuel filters should be done yearly. The amount of fuel this goes through, I don't know when it was last changed. It's done 202,000 miles now, so I thought it best to stick one on it. So, like I said, yes, the fuel filter's done its job, but have we finished the job? No, because I wouldn't be me if I didn't cut this open to see what's inside it. So the fuel's going that way. You can see where obviously it's clamped together. So what I'm going to do is just cut down gently down there, and hopefully I should be able to slide the actual filter out and see how disgusting it is. you look at the clean coming out of the tap, not the nizzle at the end, nizzle. Ah, it's disgusting. Beautiful. Right, there we go. Right. That's the filter cage. You ready? Nice and clean in there. Copper, look at this. This is disgusting. Worst filter I've seen in many, many years. Now, as we can see, it's just a paper build-up filter. I mean, look at that. That's built up from all the crud and stuff that comes from all your different petrol pumps over thousands of miles. So if we flip it over, fuel comes from the tank, through the filter, out the filter into the injectors. And as we can see, from the middle of the filter where the fuel's going out, nice and clean. Well, it looks nice and clean, which is what you want. You want clean fuel getting to your injectors. Because if you flip it over again, as I said, fuel's coming from the tank through this. If any of that was getting in injectors, you'd have a lot bigger problems than that. I love finding stuff like that. So, fuel filter, you really want to change it. I don't know how long that's been in there for, but I'm saying a long time. I love doing that. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching.